Welcome once again. Let's talk about Clssic LLC. Today, May 13th, marks exactly 1 year Clssic recorded all-time low. Yes, it was on May 13, 2022 when Clssic recorded all-time low, and since then LUNC have actually hit 435.93% increase in price. That simply means exactly 365 days till Clssic hitting 435.93% after the crash of Clssic. So let's assume someone that invested $100 would have at least see $435, and if you invested $1,000, your money would have worth $4,350, and of course $10,000 would have returned $43,500. Okay, so I'm happy to see that Clssic is really doing well. At least in the past 1 year is a good record to see that exactly 1 year, May 13, 2022 to May 13, 2023, Clssic LLC have actually gained 435.93% increase in price. It's a good thing. I'm happy that LUNC in the past 1 year has actually been on the profit side, okay, after the crash. So those who actually invested on this coin as of May 2022, they're already on profit. Yes, profiting over 435% increase in price, 435% of the investment. So it's a good thing for Clssic, even though LUNC right now is facing some difficulties, but at least in a period of one year calendar, they are able to be on the profit side, and I believe that in the next 1 year also, Clssic will even get more. Clssic should be seeing over 1,000 or 10,000% increase in price within the next 1 year. So we are moving to that journey. After in the past 1 year, the kind of project Clssic have right now is more better, something that can really help push this coin more. This in the next 1 year. So I believe yes, there's a possibility of another 400 to 1,000 or 10,000% increase in price coming in the next 1 year for Clssic LLC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decisions.